experts speculated the objects seen in the various clips are unidentified aerial
Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add a 3D UFO to your shots using Adobe After Effects. Let's get started. First we need a background shot where we're gonna insert the UFO. Then I downloaded this 3D model from Sketchfab. You can also use sites like TurboSquid or Free3D. There are plenty of these models, just find what works for you. Now let's open up After Effects. Start off by placing your background shot on the bottom of the timeline and select Track Camera. Once this is done, hit Create Camera. Next, create a black solid. To get the UFO in our shot, I used the Element 3D plugin. So import the 3D model and click Normalize Size. And then import all the textures and hit OK. Next, go to Group 1 and create a group null. To make the UFO hide behind the house or cottage, duplicate the background shot and grab the pen tool. Create a mask around the roof and animate it. Now use the position and rotation of the group null to animate the UFO. Also, we can add a little wiggle expression to make the animation look a bit better. Hold down Alt and click the stopwatch icon. Then type in wiggle and choose the frequency and intensity you like. And further tweak the animation till you get the look you are going for. To make the UFO go behind the trees, duplicate your background shot again. Search for Extract effect and apply this to the duplicate. Play around with the settings to get rid of the sky. Additionally, duplicate the black solid, which is our UFO, and go to Output and select Show Illumination. Also set the layer blending mode to Add and add a subtle blur. To make the UFO blend with our shot even better, we can place some of the clouds in front of the UFO. First, duplicate the background shot once again and disable the visibility for now. Use the pen tool to create these shapes and apply roughen edges effect. And fast blur effect to the shape layer. Then make the shape layer 3D so that it can move with the camera and use the sky layer as an alpha matte. Furthermore, reduce the opacity of the sky layer. And we are done. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.